Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Amazon Associates reporting export in USA. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To authorize Amazon Associates reporting export in the USA, start by logging into your Amazon Associates account. Once logged in, navigate to the Reports section found on the main menu. In the Reports section, look for the Report Export option. Click on the Report Export link to access the export settings. You will see several options for data export formats. Choose your preferred format, such as CSV or TXT. Next, locate the Authorization button within the Export settings. Click on the Authorize button to initiate the authorization process. A prompt will appear, requiring you to confirm your decision to proceed. Review the terms and conditions regarding data export and reporting. After reviewing, click Accept to authorize the reporting export. Once authorized, you will receive a confirmation message on the screen. Now, return to the Reports section to select the specific report you wish to export. Choose your desired report from the list available. Select the date range for the data you want to analyze. After setting the date range, click on Generate Report to create your report. Once generated, you will see an option to download the report. Click the download link, and the file will be saved to your device. Your Amazon Associates reporting export is now successfully authorized and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.